Hello people, today I will show you how you get email subscribers in Shopify. Click on the Visit Shopify App Store button. And wait. Okay. Right over here, I'm gonna search for MailChimp. Maybe you already know this application, MailChimp in WordPress. But now it's in Shopify. So you can choose for much different things, but I'm gonna choose this one. And I'm gonna click on Add App because you can watch the video if you want, but I'm gonna click on Add App. And I will wait, and I will install the application by clicking on the blue button. Okay, I will click on Create New Form. And I will click on Pop Over. And I will select this one. There are only two available in the free version. I'm gonna enter here join or discounts. And I will click on Create Form. And right over here you can set join or discounts. This is the text that disappears right over there. And you can add a thank you message right over there. Okay, if that's clear, we go to the next step. Save and continue. Here you can customize your layout of your pop-up. You can make it green or blue or yellow. I'm gonna make it green. And I'll hit save and continue. And here you can add custom fields like last name and first name. I'm gonna add first name, last name. Yes, and I think that is enough. So I'm gonna go to save and continue. Okay, right over here, it's a really important step. So make sure you've checked this box right over here. And after the user subscribes, we don't need it. So I'm gonna click on online store. We don't need that because it's a premium feature. So right over here, yeah, it pops up. That's great, it's working. So okay, and now I'm gonna subscribe to myself to let you see how it looks in the administration panel. This plugin, this MailChimp. I'm gonna subscribe, and right over here where it says join our sale, I'm gonna click on it on a little one, and right over here it appears. Okay, that's great, it's working. So all your subscribers will appear there. So I hope you've liked this lecture, and I hope I will see you in my next lecture. Thanks.